I was on my way to Matt's to pick up those plates because I'm meeting up with a subscriber to drop them off tomorrow. And it started really raining, which causes me a problem. Apparently, my moonroof drain is plugged because I am getting soaked right now. So, adding to the to-do list, repair a sunroof. Because if the music goes over to YouTube's, people get tagged. Because you get what's called a copyright strike. Yep. Good try. Make sure you keep it flat. Ooh, look at that. Next up. Look at that. That's Lordstown. Alright, so what should we make a left?
Turn left on Ellsworth Bailey Road.
I don't know. Maybe I fucked up. Sorry. Go. Sorry. Yeah, it's taking us back 76.
In 2.8
My
miles.
fault.
Turn right to I-76 West, Akron.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're on a road trip. We're halfway lost in Lordstown because I made a mistake. I wish I could blame the driver, but it was my fault. We are heading to Cincinnati. We're heading to Cincinnati because we are picking up Papa's Father's Day gift a little early. The Mustang is a joint project between Dad and I, but it's technically his car, even though I'll probably drive it just as much. So his Father's Day gift this year is we're getting him the hood for his car that he's wanted. It is a Shelby dual scoop Ram Air hood, and there's a guy in Cincinnati that makes them, and they look like pretty darn good quality, and the price is right. So, we're road tripping our way. Cindy's with me to keep me company. I'm letting her drive today because, you know, we're going to be on the road for 9 hours or better today, and it should be fun. All right, back on the road we go.
But then I got thinking. I don't know.
You were thinking of the Lincoln?
I was thinking Lincoln.
You were thinking in the Lincoln.
I was.
We missed all that traffic. Woo! Lock. that hood up. That looks pretty cool. Can't wait to get it on the car. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Alright, so that's Papa's jacket. We started doing some body work. Got a little more filling to do here. But shell panels aren't looking too awful bad. We primed the roof. You can see a lot of the scratches we got to deal with. Definitely a lot of work to do in here. But I got to fill all that, but I couldn't see them all. This is what we drove to Cincinnati for. Yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. That'll look real nice. Down the road. But we definitely have to use the body work. They're not perfect, but the price this dude sells them for, I'm not asking for perfection. I can fix that. So we definitely have to do some body alignment, get things fit and finished. But hey, we got ourselves a Shelby hood. So it's pretty good. We got to do, I'm going to buy the side scoops, so we'll have side scoops here. And that's the test fit wheel we put on. These are a set of slotted mags I had laying around. I think we're going to wet sand and polish them out. Get new center caps to look a lot better than those. For this one, guys, I'm out. I'm taking a time off. I'm taking, you know, I took the day to run out with Cindy and we grabbed the parts that we needed. You know what? Rest of the day I'm gonna relax. Tomorrow's a new day and I got a lot more work to do on a lot of vehicles. For the next week or two, I'm not going to be posting any videos. We lost my grandma, and I'm going to have to deal with that for a little while. So I don't know how many videos I'll be posting for the next couple weeks. So just thought it was fair for you guys to know what was going on, and we'll see you on the flip side. Little update. Just sprayed a little paint. We got the door sprayed and the dash. We got a couple little spots, but nothing we can't worry about. The uprights are done. I got the kill mat installed. Well, some of it. I still have to do more under the seats and up the sides, but I wanted to get this dash started so I can figure out getting it put together. We got all new chrome, so all that gets to be done. Set that in. We're gonna let this dry overnight, and hopefully tomorrow we can start getting all that wiring up in the dash and away from our feet, so that we can start tracing lines and making sure lights are going to work and tail lights are going to work and all kinds of other stuff. But tonight I'm going to leave it at this, leave this paint dry. Tomorrow morning we're going to pick up wheels, I hope. I test fit these 16s. They got a nice wide stance, but we don't like them. We really like the 17s on like the premium package GT Mustangs, and I got a line on a set that I'm gonna go look at tomorrow. Hopefully they work out, and we'll move on from there. Smile, you're on candy camera. So we just picked up wheels and tires. We are somewhere in Barberton, Ohio. Cool dude. But we did that. We got to stop at Summit for some reducer. And back to the garage we go. Hopefully my spacers come in. I have to use, on the front, you have to run a hub-centric spacer for the wheels that I got for now. And that's only until we decide what we want to do with our wheels. But I'm making sure I use good, high-quality, safe spacers and not the garbage that's out there. So, see what happens. I'm sorry, I'm blocking the way. So we're going to run some small spacers on the wheels just to make sure they fit right in the front. But on our budget constraints, I can't swing $200 a wheel for wheels right now. And I got a really good deal on a set of 4. They're premium package style, so they're like what's on my mom's car, the bullet style wheels. So we pulled a pretty good deal on one of those, or on a set of those, and we'll just run those, go from there. Off to Summit. Now here we are for Summit. Pretty cool.
Just home? Or did she go home?
Now, come on, get serious. Cost me $11 for that to have a tip cutter.
Wait, let me look for the complaints. Nope, none.
Construction. Here going, I'm losing.
Alright. Gonna come your way.
Fingers out of there. Oh, it's all over the car.
It's alright, I can clean that. Alright, hold it in place. Alright, we need to set Slowly, yes. Stop for a sec. Caught up here. I gotta go your way. Way your way. Hang on. Give me a towel.
So I'm trying not to touch anything because it's all open.
Alright, now see if I can get it down.
There's just one problem.
What? Okay, sure, to reach the needle. I have the car lowered.
Well, I can't help it. I'm short.
What?
I can't help. I have T-Rex arms.
Is that the excuse you're going with? T-Rex arms?
Yep.
Okay. Wow, it even sounds good in here. Whew.